Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be demonstrating the mouth guards. Okay, we have already seen what it comes with. We'll just go over that again for those who missed the last video. It comes with four guards with two different sizes, the manual and the case. Let's see. There's already some inside this case that I have already put those in there. Okay, so basically just put the bottom ones on and make sure it's in and it's a nice fit, and then go ahead and put the top on and they should be comfortably in place. And it's that easy. Remember, this is a 3-in-1 dental guard. Athletic mouth guard helps in teeth whitening, prevents teeth grinding while sleeping. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one.